Children, it is a continuation of the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us continue the exercise 6. The second main question. The question is formulate the following problems as a pair of linear equations and hence find their solutions. Here problem is given, that is the word problem. The first problem is Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current here. Here Ritu rowed downstream 20 km in 2 hours and in the upstream she rowed 4 km in 2 hours. So let us take her speed of rowing in still water be x km per hour and the speed of the current will be, let us take y km per hour. Here let us take the speed of rowing in still water is x km. So you take, let speed of rowing so you take the solution here. Let speed of rowing in still water equals x km per hour and speed of current, let us take speed of the current and you take, and speed of current equals y km per hour. Here we have to find out the value of x and y. Here we have taken that speed of rowing in still water, we have taken it is x km per hour. Speed of current, that is taken as y km per hour. Now here you know that in the downstream the speed increases by the speed of current and in the upstream the speed of rowing decreases by speed of current. So let us take speed of rowing in upstream and downstream here. Speed of rowing in downstream becomes what? That is x plus y km per hour. It is x plus y km per hour and speed of rowing in upstream, it decreases, that is x minus y km per hour. The speed in the upstream speed decreases and in the downstream the speed increases. Now here what is given here? Time taken is given. You know the relation among time taken, distance and speed. Here distance and time taken is given in both the cases, in the downstream and upstream, and we know that time equals distance by speed here. So here time is given, speed is not given, that you have to find out. Now let us have here speed you have taken x plus y and x minus y. So in the downstream, time taken in the downstream. In the downstream, distance is here. Distance in the downstream is 20 and the speed we have taken in the downstream, that is x plus y. That equals how much time it is? It is given that 2 hours. So you take it is 2 hours. And next, time taken in the upstream. Time taken in the upstream. Here the distance is in the upstream, the distance traveled is distance is here 4 km and time is 2 hours. So that is 4 by speed is here, speed in the upstream is x minus y is equals to the time is here 2. So consider this is the first relation, this is the second relation. Take them. Here first one is what? 20 by x plus y equals 2. Now you know that 2 ones are 2 tens are it becomes. That implies 10 by x plus y is equals to 1. So you can write it as, by the cross multiplication you can take it as 10 is equals to x plus y. That implies x plus y is equals to 10 it is. Here 20 by x plus y equals to 2, you can cancel 2 ones are 2 tens are, as 2 and 20 are in the numerator. Here 2 means you can take it as 2 by 1 it is. So you got the first equation as x plus y is equals to 10. Second one you take 4 by x minus y is equals to 2. Again 2 means here 2 by 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are, that becomes 2 by x minus y is equals to 1 or 1 by 1. That implies, do the cross multiplication, that becomes 2 equals 1 into x minus y is x minus y it is. That implies x minus y is equals to 2 it is. X minus y is equals to 2. This is the second one. Now you take one below the other as a simultaneous equation, as a pair of equation in two variables. So you take x plus y is equals to 10 and x minus y is equals to 2. This is the first one. This is the second one. Now try to eliminate any one of the variable. Here you know that in both the equations the variables are having same coefficient. X is having plus 1 and plus 1. Y is having plus 1 and minus 1. So you can add or subtract here. By adding the different signs you can cancel the y. You can eliminate the y. Or by subtracting one equation from the other you can cancel the x here. So let us add them by adding equation 1 and 2 here. So the equation becomes x plus y is equals to 10, x minus y is equals to 2 here. Then it is plus here. So that becomes x plus y plus x minus y. This is the first one. This is the second one. Is equals to what? 10 plus 2. So by opening the bracket it becomes x plus y plus x minus y is equals to 10 plus 2 is 12 here. Y cancels, plus y and minus y. So it becomes 2x equals 12. Therefore you know that x becomes equals to 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 sixes are. So you got x equals 6. X equals 6 here. Now you substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. So you write by substituting x equals 6 in equation 1 here. So what is that equation 1? X plus y is equals to 10 it is. X plus y is equals to 10. So you put the value of x, that is 6. 6 plus y is equals to 10. So y is equals to 10 minus 6 it is. So you got y is equals to 10 minus 6 is 4 it is. Y is equals to 4. Now here you got the value of the x and y. What is x we have taken here? X is the speed of rowing in still water and y is the speed of the current. So here x is 6, y is 4, means it is 6 km per hour and 4 km per hour. So x equals what? 6 km per hour and y equals 4 km per hour. It means x means speed of rowing in still water equals what? 6 km per hour and speed of the current equals what? 4 km per hour it is. 4 km per hour. In this way, by considering them as a pair of linear equations in two variable, we got the solution here. Now let us take the second question. The question is, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Here let us take the work done. So let us take time taken by a woman to complete the embroidery work is x days and the time taken by the one man to complete the embroidery work is y days. Here. So you take the solution here. So you write time taken by one woman alone equals one woman alone, that is to do the embroidery work here, that is understood. So let us take time taken by one woman alone equals x days. So let us take x days and time taken by one man alone equals y days here. Next let us have the work done per day here. Therefore work done per day by one woman becomes 1 by x. Here if she takes 2 days means 1 by 2 part of the work will done per day, or if she takes 3 days 1 by 3 part of the work completes per day, or if she takes 4 days 1 by 4 part of the work completes per day. Therefore here the number of days taken is x, means per day 1 by x part of the work completes here. So work done per day by one woman equals 1 by x. Similarly, work done per day by one man equals, it becomes 1 by y. Here number of days taken by man is y, means work done per day is 1 by y it is. Now here 2 women can complete the work bar 2 by x days here. How many women are there? 2 women are there. Therefore, work done per day by, how many women are here? 2 women equals 2 by x. Similarly, work done per day by, here 5 men are there, by 5 men it is. 5 men equals 5 by y it is. That is, work done per day by 2 women equals 2 by x. Work done per day by 5 men equals 5 by y. It is given that 2 women and 5 men together complete the work in 4 days. 2 men and 5 men finish the work in how many days? In 4 days. Therefore, the part of the work done per day by them. Therefore, work done per day by 2 women and 5 men equals what? 1 by 4. So it is this plus this becomes equals to 1 by 4. That is 2 by x plus 5 by y becomes equals to 1 by 4. That is the work done per day by 2 women plus work done per day by 5 men equals what? Work done per day by 2 women and 5 men together here. So you take, therefore you can have the relation 2 by x plus 5 by y is equals to what? 1 by 4. This is the first relation what you got. Now again it is also said that 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Similarly, how will you get the relation here? You know that 2 by x becomes here 3 by x plus 6 by y equals what? 1 by 3 we will get. Similarly, here what you will get? Similarly, here how many women? 3 women means it becomes part of the work done per day by 3 women becomes 3 by x. Part of the work done by 6 men becomes 6 by x, and part of the work done by 3 women and 6 men together is 1 by 3 it is. So you take, similarly what you got? 3 by x plus 6 by y is equals to 1 by 3 it is. What is that? 3 by x plus 6 by y equals what? 1 by 3. So this is the second relation. This is the second relation you got. Therefore, you take them combined as a pair of equations here. Now you take first one, 2 by x plus 5 by y is equals to 1 by 4. Now you consider this as 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y is equals to 1 by 4 it is. Now it becomes the second one, 3 by x plus 6 by y equals 1 by 3 implies that is nothing but 3 into 1 by x plus 6 into 1 by y equals 1 by 3. Here you consider, here you put a equals 1 by x, that you know, and b equals 1 by y. Then consider this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. So equation 1 is now equation 1 is what it becomes, 2a plus 5b equals 2a plus 5b equals 1 by 4. And second equation, equation 2 is, that is 3a plus 6b equals 1 by 3. Now this first equation becomes, you do the cross multiplication, multiply that becomes 4 into 2a plus 5b equals 1, that implies 8a plus 20b equals 1, that is by the cross multiplication. And also here you do the cross multiplication, that becomes 3 into 3a plus 6b equals 1 it is, that also it becomes 9a plus 18b is equals to 1. Now you have it as equation 3 and this is equation 4 here. In this case, here try to have the same coefficient for any one of the variable to eliminate it, and here you take 8a and 9a. The LCM of 8a and 9a is 72a. So you multiply the equation 3 by 9 and equation 4 by 8 here. It becomes first equation, that is by multiplying equation third by what, 9, and equation 4 by 8. So you do it here, that is 9 into 8a plus 20b equals 9 into 1. This implies, this becomes 9 8 is the 72a plus 920 is the 180b equals 9 it is. Now the second one, the fourth one, it becomes 8 into 9a plus 18b equals 8 into 1 it is. So you will have, that is 72a plus 18 is the 144b equals 8 it is. So you got, consider this is the fifth equation and this is a sixth equation. So here a is having same coefficient in both the equations. Now you try to cancel that, and you know that here you can observe that a 72a they are having same sign here. So as they are having same sign, here you do the subtraction, subtract one equation from the other. Here the first equation 9 is greater than 8, so you subtract the equation 6 by 5. You write by subtracting equation 6 by equation 5, you get what you get. Write that first equation above, that is 72a plus 18b equals 9. Subtraction here, 72a plus 140, this is 180, 144b equals 8 it is. So you write that is 72A plus 180B minus 72A plus 144B equals 9 minus 8 it is. Then you take 72A plus 180B minus 72A minus 144B equals 1 it is. Then you cancel 72A, 180 minus 144 it is. You know that 180 minus 144, that is 6, and you will get 36 here. So it becomes 36B equals 1. So B you got 1 by 36. B equals 1 by 36. And you take one equation here. The first equation, that you take 8A plus 20B equals 1. So you by substituting B equals 1 by 36 in equation 3. Write the first equation, that is 8A plus 20B is equals to 1. 8A plus 20B equals 1. Write 8A as it is plus 20 into 1 by 36, that equals 1. Now you can write 4 5s are 4 9s are. So you got 8A plus 5 by 9 equals 1. That is 8A is equals to 1 minus 5 by 9. So you will get 8A equals, the LCM is 9 here, that becomes 9 by 5. 9 ones are 5 ones are here. Then 8A equals 9 minus 5 is 4 by 9 it is. 4 by 9, that implies A is equals to 4 by 9 into 1 by 8. So it is 4 ones are 4 twos are. You got A equals 1 by 18. Equals 1 by 18. So you got A equals 1 by 8. Then B equals 1 by 36. What you got? A equals 1 by 18 and B equals 1 by 36 it is. 1 by 36. Here what you have taken? A is equals to 1 by x, B is equals to 1 by y. So write A equals 1 by x equals 1 by 18. That implies 1 by 18 is equals to 1 by x. Do the cross multiplication here. That equals x equals 18. X equals 18. Next B equals 1 by 36. B means here we have taken 1 by y. That equals 1 by 36. That implies 1 by 36 equals 1 by y. That implies, do the cross multiplication, y is equals to 36 you will get. So you got that. That is number of days taken by a single woman. By one woman is, hence the time taken by one woman alone to finish the embroidery work is 18 days, and the time taken by one man alone to finish the embroidery work is 36 days here. You got x equals 18, y equals 36. Therefore write time taken by one woman alone to finish embroidery is 18 days. the time taken by one man alone to finish embroidery is 36 days. 36 days. Now take the third question. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So here let us assume the speed of the train equals x km/h and the speed of the bus equals y km/h. And case 1, when she travels 60 km by train and the remaining, that is 300 minus 60 km, that is 240 km by bus, the time taken is here 4 hours. And in the second case, when she travels 100 km by train and the remaining 300 minus 100 km, that is 200 km by bus, the time taken is 4 hours 10 minutes. Means 10 minutes longer means that becomes 4 hours 10 minutes. Now let us consider here. Let us solve this. So you first you take first one, that is the solution here. Let us consider what is that. Let speed of the train equals, let speed of the train equals x km/h and speed of the bus equals y km/h it is. Now you take the case 1 here. Case 1, if she travels, so it is said, if she travels 60 km by train, if she travels 60 km by train and 300 minus 60 equals 240 km by bus, time taken equals, time taken is what? 4 hours. 4 hours. You take 4 hours it is. Then the relation becomes the time taken by bus, that is 60 by the speed is x, plus 240 by the speed is y here. So time taken by bus, time taken by train plus time taken by bus equals total time taken, that is 4 here. Time taken by train is 60 by x and the time taken by the bus is 240 by y. The total time taken by train and bus is together 4 hours. So this is one relation. Case 2 now. Case 2 is by bus it is by train. By train it is, by train how much? That is 100 kilometer. And by bus 300 minus 100 equals 200 kilometer. And time taken, total time taken is here 4 hours. 10 minutes longer means 4 hours. 4 hours plus 10 minutes. 4 hours plus 10 minutes. That becomes 4 plus 10 minutes means 10 by, that is 60. It is 60 minutes means 1 hour. So you convert that into hour. That becomes 10 by 60. So that becomes 10 ones are 10 6 are. It is 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 6 hours it becomes. 25 by 6 hours. Now the relation becomes, therefore you write, that is by train it is 100 by x plus by bus 200 by y, that equals 25 by 6. 25 by 6. So you got two relation here. Now you take them as a pair of equations. The first equation is 60 by x plus 240 by y. So first one you take 60 by x plus 240 by y. 60 by x plus 240 by y is equals to 4 it is. That implies, here you can cancel 4 here. You can 4 ones are, 4 15s are, 4 60s are. So write it as 15 into 1 by x plus 60 into 1 by y equals 1 it is. Now the second one is 100 by x plus 200 by y equals 25 by 6 here. So you can cancel 25 ones are, 25 8s are, it is 25 4s are. Equation becomes 4 into 1 by x plus 8 into 1 by y equals 1 by 6 it is. Here 4 by x it is. So it becomes 4 into 1 by x. It is 8 by y, means 8 into 1 by y. That equals 1 by 6. Now you take a equals 1 by x. Put a equals 1 by x and b equals 1 by y. Right? 1 by x equals a, 1 by y is equals to b here. The equation 1 is, that becomes 15a plus 60b. 15a plus 60b is equals to 1. Equation 2 is that is 4a plus 8b equals, that 1 by 6. 1 by 6 you can do here one simplification. It can be converted as, here you do the cross multiplication, that becomes 6 4s are 24 into 1 by x plus 8 6s are 48 into 1 by y equals 1. That becomes easy for you. So you write it as 24 A plus 48B equals 1 it is. Now here we have to cancel any one of the variable. How you can cancel here? Here it is 15, here it is 24, and here it is 60, 48. So which one becomes easy? That you have to try here. Now you take the LCM here. LCM of 15 and 24 it is. What is the LCM of 15 and 24? That is 3 5s are 3 8s are. So it becomes LCM equals 3 into 5 into 8. That is 3 5s are 15, 15 8s are 120. Then it is. So you take 15, you multiply the equation. So you consider this is the equation 3, this is the equation 4. Now multiply the equation 3 by 8 because 15 8s are 120, and multiply the equation 4 by here 5. 24 5s are 120. So you write by multiplying equation 3 by 8 and equation 4 by 5. Then you will get, that is 8 into 15a plus 60b equals 8 into 1. That becomes 8 5 15s are 120a plus 68s are 48. 480b equals 8. Then other one is fourth equation becomes 5 into 24a plus 48b, that equals 5 into 1. That implies 24 5s are 120a plus 48 5s are, it is 240, it is 240b. 48 5s are 240b, it is 5 it is. Now you have, this is the equation 5th, equation 6th it is. Now here you know that 120a they are having same sign, means you subtract one equation from the other. So you do the subtraction, equation 5 minus equation 6. So you write by subtracting equation 6 by equation 5. That is, you write 120a plus 480b equals 8 minus, as they are having same sign, we have to subtract equation 5 minus 6. You write 120a plus 480b minus of 120a plus 240b equals 8 minus 5 it is. Open the bracket now. 120a plus 480b minus 120a minus 240b. 8 minus 5 is 3 it is. Now 120a minus 120a cancels. 480 minus 240 is 240 it is. 240b equals 3. So you got b is equals to 3 by 240. That is 3 ones are 3 80s are. So you got b equals 1 by 80 it is. Now you substitute b equals 1 by 80 in the equation 3, that is 15a plus 60b equals 1, by substituting b equals 1 by 80 in equation 3. So take that equation 3, that is 15a plus 60b equals 1. 15a plus 60b equals 1. We write 15a plus 60 into 1 by 80 equals 1a. Now it is 15a plus, that is 0 0 cancels, 2 3s are 2 4s, it is 3 by 4 equals 1. Then 15a plus 15a equals 1 minus 3 by 4. Transfer that 3 by 4 to the RHS. Then it becomes 15a equals, LCM is 4, that is 4 minus 3 it is. Then 15a equals 4 minus 3 is 1 by 4. So a is equals to, that you got 1 by 4 into 1 by 15, that is a equals 1 by 60 you got. A equals 1 by 60. Here we have taken a is 1 by x and b is 1 by y. So you write a equals 1 by x equals 1 by 60. That implies 1 by 60 equals 1 by x. So you do the cross multiplication, you will get x equals 60. Then you take b equals 1 by y, that equals, you got b is here 1 by 80, 1 by 80, that implies 1 by 80 is equals to 1 by y, implies y equals 80. Here x is the speed of the train and y is the speed of the bus. Therefore, speed of the train equals x kilometer, that equals 60 kilometer, and speed of the bus equals y kilometer, that is 80 kilometer. In this way you got the value of x and y, that is the speed of the train and speed of the bus.